In this video, we'll show you how to solve real-life problems that includes the Pythagorean theorem. But first, let us know, what is the Pythagorean theorem? The Pythagorean theorem is used to solve for problems which are missing one side of a triangle. It only works with right triangles. A right triangle is a triangle that has an angle which measures 90 degrees. These are the sides of a triangle. The variables a and b are called the legs, and the variable c is called the hypotenuse. When one side of a triangle is missing, we use the formulas of the Pythagorean theorem to solve for the third missing side. If the hypotenuse or the variable c is missing, we use the formula c squared is equal to a squared plus b squared. If one of the leg is missing, we'll use the formulas a squared equals c squared minus b squared, or b squared equals c squared minus a squared. To be able to understand it furthermore, we'll give you an example and teach you the steps.
Ashley walked to the canteen starting from their classroom at the right side, a distance of 15 meters. Fiona also walked to the canteen, starting from their classroom at the left side, a distance of 8 meters. Assuming that both of them walk a slanting line, how much would the distance from Ashley's classroom to Fiona's classroom?
Step 1. Understand and draw the given problem.
C is the hypotenuse or the distance between the classrooms. Lastly, A and B are the lengths of the other two sides or the distance each person walked.
Step 2. Look for what side is missing.
Since the sides a and b or the legs are already given, the only side left is c or the hypotenuse. So, the missing side is the hypotenuse.
Step 3. Use the Pythagorean theorem formula to solve for the missing side.
Since the hypotenuse is missing, we'll use the formula c squared equals a squared plus b squared. Then, we'll substitute the given values into the formula. After that, find the square root of 15 and find the square root of 8. The square root of 15 is 225 and the square root of 8 is 64. After finding the square of both sides, you will then add them and then find their square root. The square root of c squared is c, and the square root of 289 is 17. Therefore, the distance between Ashley's classroom and Fiona's classroom is 17 meters.